I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. I'm known as Mr. Omaha, and I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice. Today, I want to talk to you about how to prepare your home for an open house. Many real estate agents consider an open house a vital part of the home selling process. To have a successful open house, preparation is key. Potential buyers want to see a clean, well-maintained home that they could picture as their own. The atmosphere should be relaxed and welcoming to put viewers at ease. But let's begin with what are the things that you need to do to get your home ready for an open house. Let's begin with curb appeal. When hosting an open house, making a good first impression is critical. If a house lacks good curb appeal, many would-be prospects will simply drive away. So things to do before the open house. Mow the lawn, or if it's winter, be sure the driveway and the sidewalks are completely clear. Mow the lawn, trim the hedges, weed the garden, remove any toys or other distractions from the lawn, paint if exterior paint is peeling, and if a mailbox or house numbers are worn, replace them. Let's talk about cleanliness. I know this seems obvious, but let's talk about cleanliness. When prospective buyers step into a house, the first thing they notice is whether it is clean. Either do a top to bottom cleaning yourself or hire a professional to do it. Remove any clutter, such as newspapers, magazines, and knickknacks that could distract from the house itself. Now let's talk about appearance and simplicity. Consider making some cosmetic upgrades to the house. Repaint walls and cabinets, replace faucets, keep furniture and accessories simple and fashionable. Put any old or worn out furniture into storage. Open the blinds or curtains, turn on every single light in the house. The brighter the house looks, the better. Now let's consider having nothing personal or valuable out and about. Remove your personal photos, artwork, and other items to make the house more of a clean slate for visitors. Remove pets, pet bowls, pet toys, beds, and litter boxes. Lock up your valuables. The real estate agent will be talking with several people and will not be able to keep an eye on visitors. So in summary, make a good impression. An open house is an excellent time to show what your house has to offer. Invest some time and money to make your home as attractive as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and have a great open house. Please call me for your real estate needs or questions. Again, I'm Mark Renner with Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. My cell phone number, is 402-690-1687, and my email is mark@markrenner.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.